남바링게 상라 안에 지루들이 쉬어요.
Good afternoon, everyone.
안에 그런데 네 들이 Germany 티니바 second time 다디 용백합리아 안에 그래서다지 토마 다 달로 아메리카리아 나왔음이리아 네 나왔음은 다 visit 체시 침브레 제자 디젤이야 남상 Germany 영화를 디스카라 커버를 쳐서 선물을 텐소.
So, this is my second visit to Germany. And just a few short months ago, I was able to visit the United States for the third time. And I was able to actually stay in the United States for almost 3 months. And because of this, I thought to myself that it was probably going to be difficult for me to get the necessary permission to visit Germany right on the heels of that visit to the United States.
다이네한테 양결 가져야지 Germany야 담아든 Germany야 용토를 쳐도 조금래. And 드린 주산에 다디 surprise 잡지 조진의 surprise 잡지.
But in the end, as we now know, I did get the permission to come to Germany, and from a certain perspective, this was a surprise to me.
That's why things looks like improving a little bit. Then have more encourage somewhere. Then next time, maybe we will try more country. Yeah. Actually, we did try the first time. Because of first Europe trip we planned. That time, I think, 4 or 5 countries. We already tried, but we can try again. Andari Germany tinniwa yombegalia and feeling much comfortable. Karasana Germany gede nero rodo. This nyambodo China. Tin tangbo yonju san days kensarodo. Kyongbun rochi. Little bit hard. Now it's done much more and more beautiful. German breakfast also tastes good. The lunch looks like breakfast, not much. Breakfast is good.
Now, during this second visit to Germany, I'm feeling very comfortable in Germany. And in particular, the German language is sounding more and more pleasant to my ears. It has a very nice sound to it. During my first visit, the German language sounded a little bit strange, a little bit rough. But now it sounds very beautiful. And furthermore, the German breakfasts are very delicious. In terms of lunch, it looks mostly just like breakfast, not much to it. But the breakfasts themselves are wonderful.
Um, Germany, Yundusane, Samba Gashur Chidi, and lots of greens, right? Taji, Wanjang, the Zishina, the Mabutai, Mara Samba Gashur Chigi Yondus. And then I think Germany, when the hotel they do Chashabi, put lots of effort to be green summer Vadaji. Kuyuzungulia tuba, the Bezushdache or Stongo. Chazang, the Germany, Mimare, Tana Singi, Sijun, Tone, and the Kuyuzungyob and one Jan Zer, the Juan Cheto, Bezuma, whichever they are just we are showing.
One of the things that I appreciate about Germany the most is its rich and luscious greenery. There's so much greenery, plant life, trees, vegetation, and so forth in Germany. And in the same way, the hotel that we are staying at and holding this program at puts a lot of effort, as far as I can tell, into being eco-friendly and protecting the environment, having environmentally friendly practices. And more broadly, the German people and the German governments on various levels seem to have put forth a great deal of effort into protecting the environment, and I really rejoice in this.
And we need to do lots of things we can. 단도이랑 아주 제과다 마부시다 이랬지. 라바도 구유순 좋다려 아주 지 단도양 제과다 마부시지 마부지 야레스 제투야. 근데 안드링이 죄제디 다 구유순 교단 대회 다 죄자 드시리샤. 드린주산 디준세 때네 대단 대회 토하네 딱 이제 감을 지가시주의.
And there is a lot more that we can do still to help the environment and protect the environment. And therefore today, how we can further help and protect the environment will be the main topic of my remarks.
구유 순교과라 계시두산에 단미망우치기 교랑 지 구유 순교과리야 토난 용과야 다지 구유 순교과리야 토난 용과야 김세 다지 규기현저부터 교랑 게라 데 규기현 가르임 봤지 그때 계셨지 마부 용도.
A lot of people ask me these days about my own personal passion for helping the environment and where that came from. What were the causes and conditions that led to me becoming enthusiastic about paying attention to the environment?
당아 그 순교토네 토난 용과 김센 쪼디 다 토난스네 자도 다 텔레아디스 세븐 초나르치 중세 유에데버디 김센 카르스나 아 충중 아랑 깨서 디 다 벽이 다 샤쇼 다 롱바 고교 lungpa kuyo kasa remote place. Da dinje che. Kab didus che zang di nga zu traditional tsoa ge si de re. Da zhongbe ge tsoa nomadic. Dinje tsoa ge si de re. Che zang kab didus ane chi ge da rengjung kuryu dang ta nyeba che ne. Ane tsoa ge aro dinje ge 고급지 총물에서. 지단 뒤주디 뉴뉴지 로듀 다 보여대 아들 총물에 이내한 디기 파자디 띵사버 쉬쉬야 되지. 단다 이내한 디 파자디 띵사버 여지 전화 용이 도스.
I think the main reason for this really was the environment in which I was born and in which I spent the first years of my life. When I was small, I lived together with my family in a remote area of eastern Tibet. And in this area, my family lived a traditional lifestyle of nomads. And part of that lifestyle and part of our situation was that we lived in very close proximity to a very beautiful natural environment. And I feel like that this was an excellent opportunity for me. Even though it was a relatively short time, just 7 years that I lived there, I feel that it instilled deep habitual tendencies that still remain with me to this day.
장주 심은 신데 베디 사자 첨보 유럽기 계급 가시기 사절 레답 시응아 근데 체여도 이제 다 되려 따이네 미장 뉴뉴 아주 남 6 million 스가래 따디가 뷰리 유제디 따지 도메인 6 million actually it's not really 6 million 따디 따 치게리여 상원지 도메이나 6 million nearly 6 million. That are members of the Takanda. That is 6. Sa that 2 machines are the Madoya Marwa. The Indusangado that such a championship. The Indusan that dig space should you have Mitsamalia, Ranjung Kurulia, Longstra, Delia, energy. Enjoyable chag space style devchi drijisha.
As you know, Tibet is a very large area. You could probably fit 4 or 5 European countries in the physical area of Tibet. Even though Tibet is such a large area, there are very few Tibetan people. The figure that we hear most these days is that there are 6 million Tibetans in the world. Actually, it's not really 6 million. I think if you take all of the Tibetans in the world, including those Tibet as well as those who live throughout the world in other places, you'd probably get a total that is almost 6 million. So the 6 million isn't an exact figure, but in any case, with so relatively few Tibetan people in such a very large area of land, this provides the opportunity for the Tibetan people to fully enjoy and greatly enjoy the natural environment that surrounds them. There is, or has been, a lot of space for them to do that.
근데 별이야 딱 글래시스 말고 거르망 보시라 해야 되지. 다가날 로 동차 지차 나 동차 제가 세리버 가시 세두산에 벽이 딱 거르디줄 데 로치차키 루유에 되지. 다 이제 딱 거르디데 마위에 되지. 안다나 신기 다지 방종다 신나 신 담에 망고에도 다 이제 나나 소식이 없는 거 알아. 진대 인주산에 traditional somarbe다지 수익인 비밀 수익이 셈나로래야 된데비지 강르당 다나 신기다지 저리당 다 가르는 되게다 행동 되게 초단 치울라서 받아들 상로 그주에다지 the living systems and other but landrob지다 루드럽지야 버지 된데지기 간다 그주 디 object 인터뷰지야 다 가서 지금 아주 여기다 에 가서 펜본을 붙일래야 삼로마다 지지 따디지 간다지 아주 리스펙트 체서로 지다 뉴바이에 대비지 따디지 리빙 시스템으로 디지털 양지
The glaciers of Tibet, the snow mountains of Tibet, have thousands of years of history behind them. And according to some scientists, some of the Tibetan glaciers have tens of thousands of years of history behind them. So Tibet is very rich in terms of its natural ecosystem and all of the different elements that consists of. The glacier mountains, the meadows, the forests, the lakes, rivers, ponds, springs, and so forth. And all of these elements were related to customarily by the Tibetan people in a way in which they were regarded as a living system, not just an object, not just lifeless matter, but a living system. Tibetans regarded certain elements of the natural environment as being inhabited by gods, nagas, and so forth. So the traditional Tibetan way of relating to this natural environment was one of great respect and one that held the natural environment in awe and regarded the natural environment as imbued with a lot of energy.
드린다 딘지기 구요나올래야 난 차로 충분히 드린자 디지 구요나 게 다드야 차로 충분히자 다디 바자르지 쇼셔베지 대상 총계를 나올래야 다 미망 총계를 나올래 게베 다미 로춘주 망부치기 릉중 구요사데 지 TV 당 나나 신기 지 매거진 당 작버다 데나나 바다마도 지금 무엇을 좀 쿠올이야 지 총뒤네 지 런중 쿠올이야 다녀지 대하당 델지 런중 쿠야 제가 그러다 enjoyable chat 고거르시다 중요한 말 제자 that's natural beauties and 안도 야나지 런중 쿠디 자침부 같이 이미사르디 전화로 깨야 디스카라 하루치
And this is the type of environment that I had the opportunity to grow up in for some time. And the habits of that, the habitual seeds of that, are still with me, I think, in a strong way. However, many people in the world haven't had such opportunities. People, young people, for example, who live in cities, some of them only have a relationship with the natural environment through means of television, magazines, photos, and so forth. But apart from that, they haven't had opportunities to be close with nature in a direct way and to enjoy nature in a direct way. And when we are that distant from nature in terms of our experience, it becomes more difficult for us to have an appreciation of natural beauty, the beauty of nature, and to have an appreciation of how precious the natural environment is.
근데 안에 rangjung kuru dang de ji nambek namba sangebe ta chu nyamle sumro de tiburu javashta yodebichi java yodebichi ane drin dustane ta 다다 공도 쉬브나 신기 에 다다 아주 좀 저블링 토리아 에 체릭 저기 토안에다 인포메이션 많고 지용돼야지 쿠유리아 지 가서 니주 근데 쳐야 봐대 다니 인포메이션 많고 지용돼야지 다 이변에 인포메이션 많고 예비치 미상매기 다변은 이제 politician party 내에 다가나 신기 지게 가수에 social activist environment activist 이나라 딱 안갈로 깜바니당 타나지 깜바니의 창매기 구유중집사의 개심이 뭐지 타매기 해야 돼야지 들으죠. 다 이내 우유니 주토라 라렌 따르 걸이야 가두이네 가서 지 강에 태대 아주기 시에번는 시지다 나는 아주 삼번는 시 저와제번는 신지 라랭기 걸이야 디 용토면지 Today 인주산다 information alone is not enough. 다디 아주지 데 information 요 레벨 나로를 요베티 소 닝게 나로려야 베지 초나에 초와게베지 데 라렌리아 간데 따고 면사데 게좀시다 텔이야 that is spiritual tradition. Someone Zambolinki. Religious tradition, spiritual tradition. Did you detalia? Then they play Kashwaji role to play. Someone that she delia pentocha to Anubchi. Then they yon sire. Labadoji Navasangeverji Jimbinea and Tangi Kondishu Nasiki. Kuyutan Kashwa. 구육이 순교당 윤진비기 잡아야 돼 봐. 근데 민주 펜더치 도로 선물자.
Buddhism and the environment are two topics that are connected with each other. As I mentioned earlier, these days there's lots of information that is available to us in the world. And this applies to the environment as well. A lot of information is available in terms of what kind of state the environment is in and so forth. And many people and groups in the world pay a certain degree of attention to all of this information. Political parties express concern about the environment in response to the information that has become available to them. There are many social activists and environmental activists doing various things, raising awareness in different types of ways. Many companies have taken note of the challenges that the environment is facing and have expressed an interest in becoming part of the solution to these problems. And so a lot of different people and a lot of different groups in the world are talking about the importance of the environment. But when it comes to pragmatic solutions and putting them into actual practice, that's more challenging than just talking. So one of the biggest challenges that we face now is how do we translate all of this talk about supporting the environment and being concerned about the environment into pragmatic actions that will actually help the environment. So this shows us clearly that having information alone is not enough. What we need is to first start with the information in our brain, then have that information bring forth some type of a change in feeling in our heart, and then have that change of feeling in our heart be the stepping stone for some type of pragmatic action. It's very important to take it through all the way to that pragmatic action in the end. So in relation to this, I think the various spiritual traditions of the world definitely have a role to play. They definitely can be of benefit in this situation. And especially there is a great opportunity for Buddhism as a spiritual tradition to be of benefit when it comes to protecting the environment and when it comes to the endeavor of trying to sustain the health of the environment.
For example, that's Bender Chevy. Sangye, Bena Sangye, Kuchumbe Kalia, and Xingdong Jig Chunda Kuchumbu Shegorba. Didn't Sangye Kalia, and Chenshu Jembetron Sangye Bata. And the Jig Chu call Tomar was there. 시대 창송 롱르다 나서 사르나트 르다가 나리아 엔지 추이 콜고다 나나 신기 냥엘 데베컬이네야 엔 신 살라사도 신 살라사 다가다 신이 버르르다 냥엘 데베를 주시어봐 디나네 지 디난다 자 치슈르디 디제다 응엔데 시여 알레스
We can see a strong environmental thread in the life of the Buddha himself. When the Buddha was born, he was born at the side of a tree. When the Buddha attained enlightenment, as is famously known, he attained enlightenment at the foot of the Bodhi tree. When the Buddha first turned the wheel of Dharma, he did so in the Deer Park forest in Varanasi. And similarly, when the Buddha passed into parinirvana or died, it is taught that he did so between two sala trees.
Bena Sangye Negalia. That Sangye the most celebrated Samaradaji. Celebrate Chawadi. The Kechi Shuruji Sangye the Chadi Orwa. Jazanga Ajasamlana, that Sangye Vekalo, Unechana, Mimangbo, very crowded people, lots of people, very crowded, and Lawadab, Kijab, Shujab, Tajorana. Inea Sangye Gala, Koranti Misuji Mindo, Mimindo, Shindongji, and Zai Denji, Digala, Koranjibu. Very natural, that very peaceful, quiet, and the Ji, Rangjung Kamda, Hajan the Chikazwe. Too much is you.
In terms of all of the deeds that the Buddha performed and all of the events connected to the Buddha's lifetime, the most celebrated of all of these is, of course, the Buddha's attainment of enlightenment. Obviously, the full awakening of the Buddha into the state of enlightenment or Buddhahood is considered a very important event. And one might think that due to this, since it was such an important event and momentous occasion, one might think that when that happened, there must have been a big crowd on hand, and the moment when he awakened into Buddhahood, everyone must have burst into applause and cheers and shouts and so forth. But it didn't happen that way. When the Buddha attained enlightenment, when he awakened into Buddhahood, there was no one around. There was no one there. There was just a tree and a grass cushion. It was very natural, very peaceful, very quiet, and very much in touch with the natural environment.
Very ordinary. Just something true ordinary. Some 제자 ben jagala Shingdong jiwala and dating among water. Sometimes this lo gemba dinde ningon khala sasarwa shingdong wala nyeji derwa da dinde mangbu sha thwa je za nga zo gab di du sangye se tid di nearby there nga zo de sangye ma ha ko ma tu or ti za de ga this kala ga bro.
So it was a very ordinary event in this way, in terms of the physical setup of how the whole thing happened. And from some perspectives, some people might think it looked too ordinary, because after all, there's lots of people in India who sit under trees. You can look around and see a lot of old people taking naps after lunchtime and so forth under trees. And so if you were walking near the area where the Buddha was attaining enlightenment, you might not even notice that that was the Buddha and he was attaining enlightenment or had just attained enlightenment, because the physical situation he was in was just so ordinary.
We will be disappointed. Not that exciting. Because of that kind of peaceful moment situation, very ordinary situation. Today, you can connect with the universe. And connect with the nature. Connect with all sentient beings. You can then dana shingi great moment for him, for the Buddha.
From our perspective, this might be disappointing, because we might want something more grand and flashy to have occurred, but it seems too ordinary. But from the Buddha's perspective, because of the powerful ordinariness of the moment of his enlightenment, the peace, the quiet, and so forth, he became able to connect with all of the universe. He became able to connect with all of nature, to connect with all sentient beings, and to realize the true nature of all things. So from the Buddha's perspective, the situation of his enlightenment was perfect.
The material desires so disturbed. Exciting. Spiritual materialistic this.
Our minds, on the other hand, are so disturbed by material desire that when it comes to Dharma, we're kind of pushed along by our usual habits in a way that we come to expect the Dharma to be exciting, or hope that the Dharma and Dharma practice is going to be exciting or entertaining in some way for us. And that leads us to have an attitude of spiritual materialism.
The picture and example, the picture and
in terms of the way the Buddhist tradition acknowledges the environment, there is the traditional language which refers to the outer environment as a container and the sentient beings as its inner contents. So that's like the picture or metaphor that the traditional Dharma language uses to talk about the relationship between the world or the environment and living beings.
The picture, the example, the yes, natural environment, and the connections of it. Pinzi jigla jigdeng and java. You have the cultural turn to yachi, pay abuchi, read something.
And this metaphor from the Buddha's teachings is, in my opinion, a wonderful illustration that clearly highlights the mutually dependent relationship that sentient beings and the world have with each other, a mutually dependent connection.
신의 지딘데 아주 홀드 좀 치게 예비다. 다지 아주라 가수에지 가수 아주지 object 잡지 많이 붙이. 다 간단 아주 숨겹치기 홀드 치게 예비지. nurturing 치게 예비지. There's tongdos.
So the outer environment, which is a container, is similar to a hall, but not a hall in the sense of just being a lifeless object, a hall as a living entity that we must protect.
Today, do chi nu telia, gun chumina, nang ju telia, ko nyanga yongorwa, the nyanga yongoyabte, as a savage hakodachi.
And if this outer container is harmed, then its contents will be lost. That is very clear. If you have a container that is holding something and harm comes to the container, then it's very clear that what the container is holding will be lost.
Adrin Yuzana, Tangye Manguchi, Kashraji, Kuyu, Sungyo Toilet, Manguchi, Tsiri, the Tumbi, Gizamangushi, Shingmunda. The teaching around the Tsiri to Shara, also that's Omara, and the Shara, the Takanang, Tajing Water Shati, Condition Jidangi, around the Kuyu Sungyo, Tsoarushi, Tsona Gigu, Gunzen Karimati, Council Shure. That the name. ngarangi 다지 남바 상기변 땅 언제 구순교기 냠내서 니버든 대바로 컨트리어디 도두르지 간솔이야 슈브레 나중에 알아 섬줄도 슈브레.
In terms of talking about the environment from a scientific perspective, this is something that I really can't do much of because I don't know the science in depth. And I don't perfectly have a perfect understanding of the science that I know from a scientific perspective. So what I've tried to focus on mostly today in my remarks is my own personal sense of why it is reasonable to have a feeling of concern toward the environment, as well as the natural connection that I feel is present between environmental concern for the environment, and the practice of the Buddha Dharma. And I've tried to share my thoughts about these topics with you in a brief manner.
Kuyu sungkyup chasade lerabjrem te lerabjrem 가르에서는 다디 아주기 living style 아주 초와 계단단 저것이다 되지. 당 아주 더 kum지에 되베기 아주 habits으로다 다 대단 저버야 되지. 근데 다디 subject 잡거나 it's quite painful. It's quite not so easy. And then did yomer chaglia. That's tell ya the country improve chat. Gunlong kiste shuk chambach gozarwa. Gunlong nubashi gozarwa. That put strength, spirit. That shibji gozarwa. That de gudu sane that gi kondu shibane singi. information along the ngazulia understand ji karshwe koarabji nye togre de yina ngone tsanege da kulong shuge this that you want this kala simshu pal injimiji realistic tinde thoanda chonang gya ji da jigi be karshweda 초왕 우여르지 영아지리야 근데 배주셔 가야 돼 검지 돼야 돼 계속 시다 있어서
However, protecting the environment is really not an easy thing to do. And the reason this is the case is because it really comes down to our lifestyle. And this issue is very much connected with our day-to-day habits. And if we examine those and find that they need to change, then the process of actually changing our day-to-day lifestyle and our day-to-day habits can be painful, can be not such an easy thing to do. And so, as I mentioned earlier, we have a lot of information, but information alone isn't enough. We need to actually transform our motivation and further empower our motivation to help the environment, to give much more spirit and robust energy to that motivation of helping the environment. And that can be a challenging process. So to really and genuinely transform our relationship with the environment, I think it's important to work on our motivation.
다 드네 진주 땅 수수기 가 greed 될 control 비시고 다디 지 취기 변하지 변나가도 TV 대난다 다는 advertisement 상말로 아주 greed 지 야기 지 슈셔단 비시고래 최선 수수 control 해야 돼 지 수수 금지 차버려 지 control 해야 돼 너나 지 가줄이야 오늘 고야 가려봐 need and want similar what is really need what is just want 다디 개발을 체체 들이지 삼동아 지다 땅은 너나 당기세요나 신기 지 가지고 닝도 좀 심해비나 아니 타제 도마로 다제 마도는 요하다 도마로 안들인디 가져다 다들 저기 들이 닝도 못
So really it comes down to controlling our own greed. If we look at what's coming at us from the media, from television, advertisements, and so forth, a lot of what's coming at us is basically an attempt to increase our greed. And so if we want to control our greed or to reduce it, then we really need to take that responsibility on for ourselves and recognize that others aren't going to reduce our greed for us. We need to reduce our greed ourselves. We need to transform our habits ourselves. So a part of this process of transforming our habits is that we need to look into the distinction between what we really need and what we simply want. So there's a difference between what we need and what we want, and I think we can put more work into making that distinction more clearly. And in order to do that and continue along with that practice, we need great strength of heart, great resolve. If we don't have great resolve, we won't be able to be decisive. And if we're not decisive, we won't be able to make changes.
단 전에를 진실해다 고유고를 망부지 단 망부지 시에는 쳐갑니다 와서 이제 sometimes 我就是写下的盲查，哪年大的用查，这里就是啥呢？的推荐嘛，我做中的都是多。这里就是啥？当阿拉伊呢，写我不认你呢，他就开始的哪年盲子打过来不去，这是通多，这里三万多去，他那新开始哪年盲子去打出来去，说是女别感觉，你们日拿了了呀？这这个，但开始就去踢吧，什么了？drop。电能性，大家的躯体啥不能行，你们日拿了这，说是你别感觉是些为民呢，点这上效很多啊 ，positive，感受到这 change 就这样出来了，就把这日什么程度是。
So it's like that. And I think that it's good for me not to say too much more, because I think sometimes we have a habit of saying too much and doing too little, and we just end up wasting time. And I feel that even from my own perspective, even from the perspective of the person who's giving this talk about the environment, I feel that there's more that I can and should do to actually help in terms of my own actions. And I would also encourage you to try to increase your actions that help the environment in a way that harmonizes with your own abilities, and in a way that you bring those actions into your life day to day. So I think that if we can change our actions on a day-to-day basis in accordance with our own abilities, then our actions will accumulate like drops of water accumulating, drop after drop, and that we will definitely contribute to a positive change.
但真的生意民主本是吧？是吧？生意的民主别过来去，现是这，那你民主别忘了，得忘的我那贵人的，俺的龙门的，俺的呀就可是，但的今年个的是多少整个了的，卡张忘也是的，俺的龙茶是，但这里忘的提前着年个多大，这里的忘就贵啊特别吃因素。
For tomorrow's teachings, we will focus on the topic of the Buddha Akshobhya. And the day after tomorrow, the empowerment of Akshobhya will be conferred. And I can say at this time that it will be an actual empowerment, not just a transmission, as we had with Avalokiteshvara. So I want to be careful and note this, because otherwise some people might think that, well, we were promised an empowerment for Avalokiteshvara, but it was just a transmission. And maybe there's a danger that when promised an empowerment of Akshobhya, it will just become a guiding instruction. So when it comes time to give the Akshobhya empowerment, it will be an actual empowerment, and I will try my best to do the actual, genuine empowerment of Akshobhya.
The Akshobhya the 가서 인지는 immovable 사 그런데 근데 just program 날 Akshobhya or immovables 다들 괜찮을 거 다들 아 Akshobhya sana 미마버지 바지 하고 만다 Akshobhya 상스키리 Akshobhya 라라 Akshobhya avatar maybe avatar teaching라고 줘 avatar lonyin 대장 다고 alien 진사에 삼정을 왔다 지잖아 Akshobhya avatar maybe it's alien 정을 와 이나야 immovable 사대 지 괜찮을 거다 제가 네 조디 Akshobhya 사대 가시난 된다 규르용 주사네 shedang yorwa, midang wasa, she midang wasa, shedang me wasa. Semdi shedangi gyu micho wasa, midang wasa, this gyodwa. De kuju chimutu sang. So de Korangi minchuba Koran minchuba lagwa yunzen karasana. Korangi da sangi minchuba Korangi tambo chenju tu yebe gawliya. Dini chenju matab yebado semjin sule shedang ge samba giga min cheche. Den de ge tamje chebe yinsan tela dene ane minchuba sa da chungro. Di nusa she mi dangwa sa ro. Shedangi minchuba sa da di chungna.
So, in terms of the word akshobhya, it's been translated in our programs that have been distributed, the brochures that have been distributed for this program as immovable, and I thought that was interesting to see that description in English. The full name of Akshobhya sometimes in Sanskrit is given as Akshobhya Avatar, which and many people might be familiar with the concept of Avatar from having watched the movie Avatar. But the Akshobhya part, if we look at the real meaning of that term, I think it comes closer to being undisturbed. And the main reference in that context is being undisturbed by aggression or anger. One's mind is not disturbed by aggression or anger. And I think that understanding has deep meaning to it. The reason why the Buddha Akshobhya came to be named as such, if we look at Akshobhya as bearing this meaning of non-aggression or not being disturbed by aggression, not being shaken by anger, it's because when the Buddha Akshobhya in his previous lifetimes, when he first gave rise to the wish for enlightenment, he made a firm pledge or commitment saying, from now onward until the time that I am enlightened, I will not harbor any aggressive intentions toward any sentient being, any intention of anger or hatred toward any sentient being. And therefore, when he attained Buddhahood, he became known as the Buddha whose mind is not disturbed by anger, the Buddha who is not shaken by hatred, the Buddha who is unmoved by aggression. That's all for today. Thank you.